Hello. So, this channel used to be games, used to be gaming content. But now I think after taking a short break, we're gonna start something new. I think we've got all this time, all this opportunity. Why not seize it, right? So, I'm gonna turn this into a vlog channel. We're gonna figure out the coolest stuff and the most fun stuff to do, and we're gonna try and do it every day. Maybe not a video every day, but the idea, the concept. Are you ready? Because it's about to get crazy. First though, gotta do some work on the Z. This is my 2003 Nissan 350Z, and I was changing the spark plugs about a week ago and totally stripped out a bolt, so I had to drill it out. So I've got a tap and die kit, and we're gonna see if we can get this fixed. So, got my hole drilled and threaded, and now it is time to find a bolt that will fit. So, probably have to go to AutoZone or something like that, but this is an essential item we're talking about. And I also just threw the battery on the charger because she's dead. All right, well, let's go get some parts. So I just got my bolts, 6 NGK Laser Platinum 5s. I had the 6s before. They don't have those, and I'm not trying to wait until tomorrow. So we're going with the 5s, and they screw you every time, I swear, because you need 6 of them, and they're 14, 15 bucks each. Come on. So these were my old spark plugs. They're not in the worst shape, but I could use some new ones. So just picked these up. My old ones are gapped to 32. So they're gapped to a 32. And that's just what I run in my Z, but yours could be different. I need to gap these. No guys, but for real, I think the easiest way that I've found for gapping spark plugs is to just set them on a table with the little tang touching the table, and then you just slide this and give it some taps. Slide your thing in there and keep going.
What's going on? I'm on FaceTime. I'm live, actually. This is crazy. The conference has been a lot leading up to it. A lot of build-up.
All right, so I just finished gapping the plugs, and now I just gotta throw them in. All right, so I screwed the spark plugs down in there, and now I'm gonna throw the coil packs on and see if my little stripped bolt problem is taken care of. Okay, so I got this side all put back together. My bolt worked perfect, fits right in there, so that's a done deal. Now I just gotta do the other side, let the battery finish charging, and we might be able to start her up. got everything back together. Charger wasn't going as fast as I want to, so I got this little jump starter. Got the garage door open, and we are going to see what a cold start sounds like. Wow. That sounds good. All right, well, that didn't go half bad. Got it done. Fortunately, cannot take it out for a drive today because it's not on the insurance yet. That'll be a different day, but we got it done. So good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Didn't end up going out to the bike spot today. Boys weren't out there, but we'll make that a priority another day. I'm gonna start doing shout outs. So I got the first one right here. My boy Log. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay safe out there, guys. Social distancing, you know? Don't go to O'Reilly's if you don't need to. But I needed to.